Hi, I'm with Dyson Expert Jen and we're going to take a look at the V11 Animal, Dyson's latest cord-free vacuum technology. So Jen, can you start by talking us through the key features of Dyson's latest cord-free vacuum cleaner?
Yes, this is a V11 Animal. It's the most suction of any cord-free vacuum. In fact, the V11 motor has 20% more suction than most corded vacuums.
How much runtime does it have?
It has up to 60 minutes of powerful cleaning, which is more than enough to deep clean your home.
What kind of floors can it be used on?
So it's great for both carpets and hard floors. The direct drive cleaner head has an extra motor built into a brush bar which drives deep into carpets to remove ground-in dirt and pet hair.
This looks interesting. What's the screen for?
This is the brand new LCD screen which reports on performance in real time. You can easily change between 3 cleaning modes. Medium mode is recommended for floor cleaning as it optimises the power for you. Eco mode gives you longer runtime and is perfect for jobs like cleaning the skirting boards. Boost mode gives you maximum power for those tricky areas like picking up pet hair from the sofa. The screen also tells you how much battery time you have left, so you can take control of your clean and don't need to worry about running out of power. It will also show you helpful maintenance reminders. For example, when you need to wash your filter, it will alert you and show you a video so you know what you need to do. This means your machine is always performing as it should be.
How do I empty the bin?
The Dyson V11 bin emptying mechanism hygienically ejects the dust. So no more getting your hands dirty from putting fluff from inside the bin, making it effortless to empty all that extra dust you picked up. Weighing only 3.05 kilograms and engineered for balance, the Dyson V11 is versatile and lightweight.
Does it come with any extra tools?
Yes, it comes with a mini motor head, the combination tool, crevice tool and the mini soft dusting brush.
Great, thanks very much Jen. So that's the Dyson V11 Animal, giving you the most powerful suction of any cord-free vacuum. And if you do want to find out more, you can go to Curry's PC World online and in store.